We've got this train timetable. It tells you when the train leaves Westchester, and that's at 6:30. And it wants to know when it should arrive at Middlewich. Part B tells you that Kate lives in Northton. She works in Southam, and she starts work at 9 AM. What is the time of the latest train she can go? So we know that she cannot catch this last train because she'd be late. So therefore, she must want to get the 7:19 train in. The latest train she can catch is the 6:42. Finally, the train going from Westchester to Eastwick goes from 6 AM till 6:34, therefore it's 34 minutes. So question 2, a bus leaves Church Street at 7:59, so that's this bus here. What time should it arrive at the bus station? 8:30. So Joe's going to the High Street, so we're looking at these times here. She needs to get there at 8:30. What is the latest she can catch from Hope Street? So she can't get there at 9 because that's too late. So the latest train she can catch is to get there at 8:10, which is 7:54. Finally, how long does the bus take to go from School Road to bus station? So School Road to bus station. So here, if we subtract our minutes, we would get the answer 26 minutes. So our next table, it wants to know what the distance is between Bowtown and Dovebury. So we're looking at this box here, and that tells you it's 39 miles. Write down the names of the two towns that are closest together. So you're looking for the ones with the smallest number. So Clifton to Dovebury. Finally, Dave wants to drive from Arronville to Clifton and then from Clifton to Dovebury. What is the total distance he drives? So he's starting in Arronville, he's driving to Clifton, so that's 37 miles, and then he's going from Clifton to Dovebury. So therefore 37 plus 17 is 54 miles. Okay, so question 4. I want you to write down the distance from Rudbury to Treeford. So here we're going from Rud to Treeford, which is 18 miles. Part B, the closest towns, what's the ones with the smallest distance? So therefore it would be Saxby and Treeford. Part C, Joe wants to drive from Penton to Saxby, which is 27 miles, and then from Saxby to Treeford, which is 12 miles. So 27 plus 12 is 39 miles. Okay, our last question. I want you to work out the road distance between Wrexham and Corwen. To go from Wrexham to Corwen must be 21 miles. Our next part tells you she lives in Mould and works in Ostwestry for 5 days a week. Each day he travels to and from using the route shown on the map. So, therefore, he must go from Mould to Wrexham, which is 12 miles, and then from Wrexham to Ostry, which is 15 miles. So in total, 12 plus 15 is 27 miles. That's where he goes to work, so therefore it must be twice that because he's got to travel to and then back from work. So 54 miles each day, and he does that 5 days a week. So 54 times by 5 is 270 miles.